In this video, we are going to give you a quick highlight of the important features of DegreeWorks, a program for tracking and planning your degree progress. DegreeWorks is a web-based tool for students and advisors to monitor progress towards degree completion. This is also the official auditing system that the registrar's office uses to check to see if you are ready to graduate. Let's first show you how to access this essential tool. Like many of our resources, you will first need to navigate to your SEMO portal by going to my.semo.edu. From your dashboard, you can locate DegreeWorks by clicking on the Advising Toolkit for Students from your taskbar on the left-hand side. From there, you can select DegreeWorks towards the top of the page. At first glance, DegreeWorks can appear to be complex and intimidating, but in all reality, this information can be extremely useful and simple to navigate. But let's go through it by section. The first section is the header. This lists your student ID, college level, classification, major, minor if you have one, GPA, advisor, and more. DegreeWorks features a degree progress circle. However, this is not always accurate, and we do not recommend that you utilize it to base your time here at SEMO. It takes a minimum of 120 credit hours to earn a bachelor's degree at SEMO. This section also breaks down that you will need general education, senior college level division, and your major and minor specific courses. You'll see symbols used in each of the requirement sections that indicate the status of a given course. The green checkmark means that those courses have been completed. Blue half circles represent in-progress courses, and unchecked boxes are courses that you still need to complete. There is a legend at the bottom of the page for reference of these symbols. Further down, the additional sections are simply breakdowns of those requirements listed in the degree section. As you can see, developmental requirements come first, followed by general education requirements. There are 7 general education categories that must be completed, totaling for 42 credit hours. If you look at each category, it tells you how many credits that you still need. For example, this student still needs 2 more credits in their Humanities and Fine Arts section. It's important to note that the Humanities and Fine Arts credits must be taken out of at least 2 disciplines as described here. For example, a student cannot take 3 music classes to complete this section. The same requirement of 2 disciplines is required for the Natural Sciences section as well. The next section is called Senior College Division. This simply means that 39 of your 120 credit hours must be taken at 300 level or higher. But no worries, as this is typically handled by your major courses anyways. If you have a minor, your major course requirement sections will always precede your minor requirement sections. So be sure to check out your minor requirements towards the bottom of your courses with unchecked boxes. You can actually click on a course to see a listing of sections and times available. However, you should always utilize Browse Classes to view seats for courses. If you are unsure of how to do that, please check out our Browse Classes/Register for Classes video. You may have noticed that some of the courses have clipboards next to them, such as SE 502 on this student's DegreeWorks. Clipboards simply mean that a course has a prerequisite. If you click on the course, it breaks down what those prerequisites are. So in order for this student to take SE 502, they must take SE 550 or SE 350 and EX 390 with a minimum grade of a C. It's important to note whether the prerequisite says or and, as and indicates that both courses must be taken. At the bottom of your DegreeWorks page, you may notice a section that says IP, meaning in progress. This includes anything that you have registered for, not just classes you are currently attending. You should now know what DegreeWorks is and have a brief insight of some of its features, know why it's important, and how to access it. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, if you encounter any issues, your academic advisor is always there to help.